How to make cool text animation typography in Kinemaster. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Recipes. Today you will learn how to make cool text animation typography in Kinemaster. So let's start. Before starting the work, it will be helpful if you create a rough layout of your design showing the placement of the text layers. Next, let's start. First, create a new Kinemaster project with a black background. Extend the black background to around 20 seconds. Next, go to Asset Store and download these effects: Chromatic Glitch Effect, VHS Rewind, Scan Wave, Shifted Lines. You can add any effect you want. Next, you need to create a text layer and type hello with the emoji or emoticon, whatever you say. Go to fonts and you can change the font to Roboto Bold. You can go to text options and add some spacing in between the letters. Drag the text layer till the end. Now add an in animation of pop or anything of around 0.5 seconds or lesser to this text layer. You can change it later on. Next, duplicate this text layer. Edit the second layer and type friends. Now, as you have already seen in this example, we will create a triangle-like shape. So, in order to give the triangle shape, to create the corner of the triangle, I will delete the letters from hello and keep only the emoji like this. Resize and reposition both the layers properly at the vertical center. Next, duplicate the friends layer. Change it to welcome. Drag downwards and again duplicate this welcome layer. Edit text to 2. You can increase the text size to almost double. Place it beside welcome. Later, you need to adjust the position correctly. Again duplicate this welcome layer and write my channel. Next, duplicate this my channel layer and write the name of your channel. Drag downwards and increase text size to almost double. Now, you need to correctly position the text layers. You can add character spacing or remove spacing as per your requirement. Place all the lines of text at the vertical center. Now adjust the size and position of the text layers to create a perfect triangle shape like this. Adding colors. You can color as per your choice. Let me play the video. See, all the duplicated layers have the same pop effect of 0.5 seconds. Try different animations for each layer and add which suits best. Next, drag each layer slightly towards the right on timeline as per their sequence. Play the video and adjust animation and speed correctly. Adding effects. Next, you can randomly add effect to the layers for a short span of time. So you can add a glitch effect to the channel name like this. Go to Effect Settings and adjust. Apply the effects randomly for a very short span of time. Do this for all your clips. I am fast forwarding this part. Our 3 video clips are ready. Next, you need to create a new project file for the main animation. Create a new file with a black background of around 20 seconds. Import the first clip. Play the video. Now, once all the text layers appear, select the animation tool and create a keyframe. Next, move slightly forward for about 0.5 seconds and create another keyframe. Move the video clip upwards. Resize if you require. Now, import the second video clip. Change blending mode to screen. Resize and place it at the center. Play the video and stop when all layers have appeared. Create keyframes just like you have done earlier. Import the third video clip and change blending mode to screen.
Years later.
You can add a background image and change its blending mode to screen. So, let's look at the final output. So if you have liked this tutorial, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Tech Recipes. Now if you want to create cinematic title animation like this, watch my video on left, or to learn other Kinemaster effects, watch playlist on right. So see you there in my next video. Thanks for watching.